Hi everyone, this is Mr. O'Gell, and in this video we will be doing a review of similar triangles. I'd like you to pause the video, make sure you have your worksheet out on your desk, and hit play to get started. Ready, pause. Alright, so here's our first problem. It says a tree shadow is 10 feet long. A 5-pole next to it casts a shadow that is 4 feet long. If the triangles formed by each object and its shadow are similar, how tall is a tree? So we need to set up a proportion. We're going to do height over base. So x over 10 feet is equal to height over base, 5 over 4 feet. Then we're going to cross multiply. X times 4 is equal to 10 times 5. This gives me 4x is equal to 50. Now I'm going to box my variable, draw my railroad, divide both sides by 4. So these cross out, and we get x is equal to 12.5 feet. Pause the video, write this down in your notebook, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, this next problem I'd like you to do on your own. Pause the video, hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, here's hint number 1. We're going to set up our proportions, and I color-coded it for you. We're doing height on the top and base on the bottom. Now all you need to do is cross multiply. Pause the video, hit play for hint number 2. Ready, pause. Alright, here's hint number 2 in cross multiplying. And I know you can do the rest of your own because you just need to box your variable, draw your railroad, and solve. Pause the video, finish this problem, and hit play for the next one. Ready, pause. Alright, here's number 3. I'd like you to pause, try and solve it on your own, and hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, here's hint number 1. All I did was I took the triangles and I set them up side by side so that it looked more similar to the other problems. Pause the video, set up the proportion, and hit play for hint number 2. Ready, pause. Alright, here's hint number 2. In this problem, I set up the proportions hypotenuse over base, hypotenuse over base. Pause the video, solve for x, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, here's problem number 4. I'd like you to pause the video, solve it, and hit play for a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, here's your hint. The way you're going to set up your proportions is hypotenuse over base is equal to hypotenuse, or x, over base. Pause the video, solve this problem, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, problem 5. I'd like you to pause the video, try and solve it on your own, hit play for a hint. Ready, pause. Here's your hint. I'd like you to set up your proportions. Height of the tree over the base of 15 feet is equal to height of the ladder x over the base of 6 feet. Pause the video, solve this problem, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, I'd like you to pause the video, try and solve this one on your own. It gets a little bit tricky, and hit play for a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, hint number 1 says to set up your proportions, height over base is equal to height over base. Pause the video, try and solve it, hit play for hint number 2. Ready, pause. Alright, here's hint number 2. The base of the bigger triangle is actually 14 meters because it's 10 meters plus 4 meters. Pause the video and finish this problem. Ready, pause. Alright, for problem number 7, I'd like you to follow these 3 steps. Draw a picture, label your picture, and then write your proportion and solve. Pause the video, try and solve problem 7, hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, here's your first hint. I drew a picture of my flagpole, its shadow, my man, and its shadow. I'd like you to now label the picture. And hit play if you need hint number 2. Ready, pause. All right, here's hint number 2. I labeled my picture according to the information in my story. I'd like you to now pause the video, write your proportion, and solve. Hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. All right, the last problem, I'd like you to do it all on your own. So I'd like you to draw a picture, and then I'd like you to solve. Ready, pause. Congratulations, you're all done. I'd like you to now go and check over your work if you have any extra time. Great job.